Hello everyone, this is Bianne. Today we've got the Yashica Hello Kitty DZ-100 digital camera, and thank you so much Yashica for sending this over. The camera itself is super compact and lightweight, and of course, the Hello Kitty design is a main highlight. The box itself has a really cute Hello Kitty design. Now, let's check what's inside. They also provided the card reader separately. Now, let's insert the battery. The memory card is also not included in the box, so you could use a 32GB or a 64GB micro SD. For charging, I just used my Samsung adapter along with the charging cable. Next, I'm attaching the camera strap and the Hello Kitty keychain. It's a small detail, but it really adds to the charm and makes the camera easier to carry around. Now, let's turn the camera on and explore the settings. For the photo resolution, you can select from 5 megapixels to 44 megapixels. There are also options for the anti-shake, face detect, smile capture, and also the exposure. You can also adjust the ISO, but for now, let's set it to auto. There's also an effects option, which honestly feels really nostalgic, kind of like the filters and settings on old phones. It gives the photos that fun, retro digital vibe. You can also select your preferred language. There's a date stamp option that you can turn on or off, and you can also adjust the date and time directly in the settings. And here are the other options for the camera. Now, let's take some photos by holding down the shutter button and release it once the indicator light lights up. You can also switch to video mode by selecting the mode button. Then press the shutter button once to start taking a video. You may select the mode button again to switch to playback mode. Then press the shutter button once to play the recording. To turn off, you may hold down the power button. You can use a card reader with Lightning or USB-C to transfer photos directly to your mobile device or tablet. Remove the SD card from the camera and insert it into a card reader. Plug the card reader into your iPad, then open the Files app to import your photos and videos. Here are the sample videos. Now, let's see some photos. I love that the camera is very compact and lightweight, making it super easy to carry around. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching!